Hi, thank you, Jane. A real pea super earlier on this morning. Some of that mist and fog lingering on into the afternoon, and there's more forming as we speak across parts of East Anglia, but it's not going to be quite so foggy generally as we head through the next few days, and that's because it's turning much more unsettled. So we look out towards the Atlantic again to see these weather fronts come through. It's going to be wet and windy at times for the rest of the week, particularly blustery on Wednesday and Thursday, and then on Friday onwards it's going to start to feel a lot colder, a drop in temperature with the possibility of some wintry showers perhaps. Let's take a look at the rest of tonight. So this band of showers gradually pushing further eastwards. It's a mixture of cloud and some clearer spells in the mix too. A little bit of hill fog out towards the west, more mist and fog forming further east, but not quite as dense as it was this morning. And it's a frost-free start to the day tomorrow. Now tomorrow there will be further showery outbreaks of rain just gradually moving further eastwards. The best of the brightness probably across northeastern areas of Scotland and also particularly for eastern England, southeast England there. Should stay dry here for much of the day with heavier rain pushing into Northern Ireland later on, and it's a little breezier too with a southwesterly to westerly wind. Top temperatures 9 to 14 Celsius maybe in the best of the sunshine, and then we see that weather front push further eastwards overnight on Tuesday into Wednesday. It's a windy night and there will be some heavy rain around. If we take a look at Wednesday, then that bulk of rain has actually cleared the southeast, but there will be more showers packing in behind, particularly across northern areas of the UK. Bit of winteriness perhaps over the hills and still very windy, especially out towards the northwest. Temperatures a little lower. It's a windy day on Thursday, another temperature drop with a northwesterly wind on Friday. There's more as ever on the BBC Weather app. Jane.
Elizabeth, thank you very much.
Hello, thank you, Rita. Real old pea super earlier on this morning for many of us, but for most of us, a little bit of sunshine through the afternoon, although for some that mist and fog just lingered on. Now, there won't be quite so much mist and fog developing as we head through the rest of the week, and that's because it's going to be windier. So really very unsettled Atlantic systems pushing in from the west. It will be wet, very windy at times, a particularly blustery looking day on Thursday. And then, especially from Friday onwards, it's all going to be turning colder. There could even be some wintry showers. So plenty to look forward to for the rest of the week. We're not quite there yet though. Bands of showers pushing eastwards overnight tonight. It's a little bit breezier tonight, so there won't be quite so much mist and fog developing. There will be some clear spells. Mist and fog though may be across parts of the southeast and some hill fog further west too. It's a frost-free start to the day tomorrow, but some heavier outbreaks of rain across parts of northwestern Scotland down through Northern Ireland there. And then those showers push further eastwards throughout the day. Heavier rain approaching Northern Ireland by the time we get to the end of the afternoon. The best of the brightness and the sunshine will be across parts of East Anglia, southeast England and also northeastern Scotland. Temperatures starting to slip a little from where we have been. And then on Tuesday night, well, that heavy rain continues its journey eastwards. It's a wet and a windy night to follow. Still a tight squeeze on those isobars as we head into Wednesday. So it's a blustery day, particularly out towards the north and the west. And that's where we're going to see the bulk of the showers. Some wintry, perhaps just over the tops of the hills, though. Elsewhere, plenty of sunshine, small chance of a shower. Very windy indeed on Thursday. And then look at that temperature drop on Friday. There's more on the app. Rita.
Elizabeth, thank you.